How to fix Telegram login error code problem. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, in order to fix Telegram's login error code problem, what you're gonna do is, first of all, you can try force stopping the application, and to do that, long press on Telegram, then go to app info. After you do that, simply tap on force stop. Now, the next thing you can do is you can simply go to storage uses, then go to clear cache. Now, after you do that, that problem might be fixed. The next thing you want to try is go to Play Store or App Store, then search for Telegram and see if there is an update on Telegram pending. So, if there is an update, you can try updating it. And the last thing you want to do is you can try reinstalling the app itself. So, this is how you can fix Telegram login error code. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.